Hello and welcome to another quick update about Bloktopia, about where we are. In my last video I showed you this falling wedge here and showed you that support level. So first of all, when we came down here, obviously from the high, we started our ABC correction. I think the correction could be nearly over. The price has done what it needs to do in this correction. It has come down into this target area, which I did give you. Basically here the 0.887 fib level would be the lowest area in that target area. I'm just questioning myself if I'm actually bearish enough about this. So in the last video, you know, obviously few videos before, I told you that this would be the area where I would expect the price certainly to get into in the correction here. As we didn't see a reaction to the 0.786 fib level at 4.4 cents, I said we could certainly come down to the 0.887 at 2.6 cents. That we fall that far, I didn't expect, but certainly expected that if Bitcoin drops, we're going to drop further. Now, Bitcoin did drop, but not massively, and yeah, Bloktopia is currently falling faster. Did come to that next support level here that I showed you before on the in the previous video, the 3.2 cent level. Below that, we've got the 3 cent level that will provide probably a lot of support. And then we've got that 2.6 cent level, the 0.887 fib level. Now looking at what Bitcoin is doing, if Bitcoin really does fall quite a lot, to be honest, I think we could even extend that target area down, I must say, because we come down here quite a lot. I would have thought it at least stabilizes here, and when then Bitcoin drops again, that we could then see a Bloktopia drop all the way down to the 0.887 fib level, but that would be at 2.6 cents. But we are now already at 3.2 cents, and to be fair, I think we could probably extend here the target area even lower, all the way down to that next support. I think that will be a very important support at 1.7 cents, and I think that would give us enough space in case Bitcoin drops. Strong support expected at 2.6 cents, certainly at 3 cents, at 2.6, and then here, I mean, that will be significant here at 1.7. If we, if we see that drop further, then we could even go all the way down to a cent. Now, is that realistic? I don't know. I think we would, at the moment 3.2 cents. We're now oversold here on the 4-hour chart, at least quite a bit. Yeah, I think another major drop of Bitcoin, I don't think that we would stay above the 2.6 cent level, I must be honest. So that is why I've just extended the target area down. Yeah, most altcoins I would expect in this current correction to come down here into the area between the 0.786 and the 0.887 fib level. Now, Bloktopia is already in this target area, so it basically needs more space, in my view, to have a buffer for Bitcoin's further drop. Yeah, so yeah, it's coming down quite a lot, and we don't see it slowing down at the moment. We don't see it slowing down at the moment. There's also no bullish divergence we can identify here. What is worth pointing out now, though, is that on the daily, I mean, look at the daily RSI. It's now massively oversold. So at some point, you can probably expect a counter reaction here. And I think we could see it if Bitcoin gives it a boost. It could go up. But what is worth bearing in mind that it has come into this target area. Yeah. So this is a wave 1. This is a wave 2. It's coming to my target area here, and it has basically, as per the Elliott waves, now done what it needs to do. It could theoretically move at any time now up in a wave 3. We don't see it on the indicators yet. I don't see them turning around yet. But there are people who use, for example, the oversold level or range of a crypto to buy in as a buy signal. It's just one way of doing it. The chart history is not massively long, so we can't really. There isn't really a lot we can identify here on the 4-day chart. There's a little bit of information here that we can use. We've just rushed into the bearish range, so on the 4-day chart there is still space to move further down. On the 2-day as well, what is positive to see, though, is that on the 2-day chart the selling pressure is decreasing slowly but steadily. So however, that decrease is slowing down. If you see what I mean, you basically are at a risk of flattening out again and then going down further. So, I mean, yeah, we have come down further, pretty much as expected, but faster than expected in my view. And yeah, basically just really the update here about these support levels. And as soon as I see this flattening out and slowing down the downtrend, I'll certainly update you and let you know. But I think we could fall further here, especially looking at how strong the price is coming down here. And so far we haven't seen a massive counter reaction here. Yeah, so it is a bit scary, to be honest. But don't worry, there's another big support along the way here, the 0.887 Fib level at 2.6 cents. And then, yeah, before that we even have the 3 cent level. The 2-day chart gives a bit of hope here, the MACD. And other than that, we have to wait what the price is doing. I think it would be really interesting to buy in at these levels, but I think there is further downside potential. That's pretty much the message of this video. All right, hopefully you liked the update, only a quick one. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.